Greetings from Chinatown, Singapore. Today, explore this place for a while and look at the buildings. They are so colorful and heritage full of like colors and vibrancy. In front, Chinatown MRT. There's a restaurant here, and this is Chinatown Night Street. On the right side, the Chinatown Heritage Center. Wow, there's even some massage going on here. Amacha, Singapore first milk tea store, man. Very happy. You know, it sounds like very happy, but you call it a very happy. Wow. And look at this CNY inspired stuff. The statue. And there's some sweet women over there. Interesting, right? This is a Chinatown Heritage Center. You can see a lot of exhibits there. And the red building, right? Red and white is the Zhengzhou Fang. It's the People's Park complex, one of the biggest striking complex in Chinatown. And around this street, right, you can buy a lot of souvenirs. Like 3 for $10 the bag. They call it a gift shop. And sunglasses, magnets, mirrors, plush toys, sunglasses once again, wallets, even clothes right here. You can try to bargain, but the price is already quite cheap, $1, $2. There's nothing to bargain actually, because the profit will be very little after all the expenses, and the shopkeeper may just ask you, do you want it for free? And there's even a Chinese restaurant here, Fortune Garden, right here. Orchid. Look at the big crab, man. Chonghua Baoding. You know, Chinese restaurants are popular in Singapore because of Chinese food. And there's some massage shop in front. And the Chinese decorations, I mean, they're still selling them right now. It's like amazing. Oh, look at there's a Tintin right here, the shop Tintin. And some of the beautiful clothes. Jewelry factory. Oh, look at all this. Fish tags. Like this, man. Hop this way, 1234567 Chinatown Pagoda Street. Oh, we reached the Indian Sri Mariamman Temple. Wow. It's actually a very beautiful historical temple, isn't it? Here I am at the entrance of the Sri Mariamman Temple. Whoa. Wishing all a happy and prosperous Lunar New Year. But you could leave your shoes outside before you go inside. They won't allow you to put your shoes inside. So from here you can see the Indian god. Even the walls, I mean the roof. Wow, it's actually founded in 1827. Hey, that's really a long time. Almost 200 years ago. Okay, we are approaching a temple street in just a few meters. And after that, there will be a big temple, Buddha Valley Temple. And also you can see a Maxwell Hawker Center. But before that, I will check out the beautiful murals. I think they changed or something. Oh, it's still the same. Hey, look at here, man. The opera mural. People's Park complex is just in front. Something is very interesting here with the lions. Stone lions guarding the entrance and road facing the road. 6 of them. And then there's an elephant here. This is one of the Buddhist shop. They call it East Inspirations. It's a nice tourist bus, big bus. And this is a new street. Right here, very interesting Nanyang old coffee. And you know there's a museum in Singapore about coffee. It's right here. And then all you need to do is to buy a cup of coffee and go level 2. That's where the new museum are. I can already see some decorations, the plants and flowers, and it will be experience. And then the Conan and then the Curious Cat earrings. There's a famous shop called Kili, selling the pastries. You know, it's very colorful. It's nice if you want to take some nice selfies here. What's this, man? Conan cuisine. Wow, the beautiful red color chairs. Hey, there's a samurai here. Kakurika, the lion or the deer. I think it sells, hey, a lot of like figurines and statues. The ladies' night. There's a Poyo Society here and the Botongi chicken rice. Chinese we call it the Wendongji, and then you can like chicken rice combo set to take away, you know. Right here. Holy man, 2 pieces of bread go also on bread tone is $50. Grandpa durian right here. They don't have much stock now. Maybe, I'm not sure, many people ate already. And they're not having any more new stock for today. Nice place. Oh, there's a room for rent over there. I'm not sure whether it's like rental for per day, per month or something like that. But it'll be very nice to stay here. Because it's in the center of the Chinatown, and if you like Chinese street food, it's the best. You just come down within 1 minute. And there's a Singapore restaurant which is like red color window. And there's a swing here. You know, couples can sit here and face each other, and then they look at me, I look at you. And then maybe there are some sparks and moments. And there's another one over there. If you love durians, just come here, man. There's a place for you to eat the durians, and they sell coconut. One for $4. It used to be $5 during the CNY season. And right here, the Chinatown complex. And by the way, there's a roasted chestnut. Starbucks has a new hojicha flavor iced strawberry ice coconut, and in front is my little coconut and Malayan ice cream. Have you guys ever tried Malayan ice cream? Look, there's a Malayan statue. Greetings from People Park Center, Chinatown. Today I'm here to check out a dark secret. Wow, the Chinatown everyone shine for face Buddha. And a nice food court here. You know, there are a lot of travel agencies around here. They have a lot of tours to China. There are all these Tibet, Dongbei, and a lot of TCM shops here. You know, Singaporeans, they love TCM, right? And massage. Wow, that's a big food court. Now I'm here not to just only check out People Center, but also look at reviews. Whether it's true or not. Lowest. The food court is the type of expensive. And then haircut $30 for men. Other shop $15. Traffic dollar is 10 cents, not free. Definitely won't recommend to anyone getting a luggage price higher than elsewhere. Don't bother coming down. The whole mall stinks. Okay, they say my third aunt lives on top of the shopping center. Food court is Basement is good for the variety. So there's apartments here at level 3 and above, I think, which is good, but the price super expensive. And let's check it out, man. At level 2 now, it seems okay, not many customers, but lots of stuff here. It's the CTC travel agencies, a Champion shoe shop. You know, that brand is special, called Champion. So whoever wears a shoe become a champion in life, right? It's just a marketing strategy. Or the boss just like the word champion. He likes to win and everything. Here, city travel very big. The star over there, and some uncle and auntie are listening to some sales pitch. And that lift is over there. Let's check it more. Oh, those lights are nice. Food court at basement. There's an optical shop here at multi-cm, and check out the fortune telling machine in front. Pay $2, right? Your fortune full. I don't believe everything, man. Oh, they sell wigs here. In Zhixin. Seriously. The wigs for men as well. 心中医药保健 Food refreshology at $18. Oh, that's for 20 minutes. But then 16 minutes 33 is still a good deal. And what's up with that? Source of power. Tonga Ali. Oh. So at the top floor now, there seem to be some kind of a lot of Chinese foods. And a spa at the corner. And a hair salon, and that the red kind of banner, it looks dubious with the masseuse sitting inside. So some dubious looking massage shop. And then there's a body shop here. Oh wow, electronics. This one is the hardware shop. Skin lab. Hey, there's a kind of like stepping machine over there. Specialized in men's major problem. It's 盖人堂生物. There's lots and lots of beauty center and tour agencies as well as the food at the bottom. I don't see many restaurants though. Actually, there are two food courts. One is at the basement, the other one is at level 1 at the corner. And other than that, they sell some shoes and clothes. And this mall, right? I mean, the shop closed very early. Like maybe like 7 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. They close. There's the opening hours right here. 9 to 7 p.m. Close Saturday. Close Sunday and public holidays. So taking a lift down to level 1 is faster than I thought, man. Right here. This statue I need to show you guys. It's very like special in Singapore. You know, the statue they actually pray for gambling. So very special. Buy one get two. There's some kind of jade there. Outside there are more. Oh, hair salon. Senior citizen 乐龄人士 makeup hair for $10. ML aesthetic. Oh, so they have a beer park center residence here. And a hockey bao. But there's no security. I wonder, can anyone go up? Check out letterbox, look very cute. 28 level. From the 9th floor, they go all the way to 28. So that is like how many? 20. And every level, how many units? 6. 01, 01 to 06. So total how many people staying here? 6 times 20, 120 units of this apartment. I'm just curious. I'm very pressed. See if I can go up. It's opening, right? I'm not sure. So I just press 3 first. I'll see how. So just arrived, level 3. I'm curious what is that inside here. There's nothing here, man. Oh, there's a shop lah. It links to the shop, man. The retail shops from here. I'm now at the People's Park Residence at level 9. There are actually people staying here. It's so good, you know. You go downstairs and shop and have your food at food court. It's nice to the Chinatown area. It's amazing, man.